How to change your theme in Zoom application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your theme or appearances inside your Zoom application. So first thing, just head over to your Zoom application and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account, so I'll simply click on this profile icon at the top right corner and just select this settings option over here, and you can finally see there's an option called appearances. So you can basically choose between these appearances to system settings or light or dark. So if your device is by default on light or dark theme, it will automatically adapt to it. So you can also change the upper section of your navigation bar, that is navigation theme, just like this, to your choice. So select any one of these accordingly, whichever you prefer. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.